Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 10. Alright, I am motivated to film today because I've been off my Vlogmas game a little bit. I don't know, Vlogmas, y'all, it's harder than what it looks like. But today, it's actually really rainy outside, so I do have some things I need to do around the house. And I don't know if y'all hear Bubs, per usual, with the taco toy. Y'all, this taco toy is living longer than what I thought it would. But anyway, I am gonna be cleaning the house today because it's a mess and it's raining, so I'm like, might as well get the house feeling all fresh and clean. I'm gonna do somewhat of a deep clean today. So one of the things I wanna do today is definitely clean the windowsills and clean the windows a little bit. And then obviously the kitchen needs cleaning and just kind of like the regular stuff, but definitely wanna wipe down the cabinets and dust at the top. Those things definitely just kind of get overlooked at times. So I'll be doing that, but this is gonna be more of like a, I don't know, like a cleaning montage, just very like relaxing, but getting you in the mood for cleaning. So let's just get right into the video. First of all, how in the heck do little bugs like this get into the windowsill? Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't understand, and it's really gross, and this is why you should be cleaning your windowsills out often, because ugh, I can't do it. Alright, so I'm gonna dust the windows now, and I really love using the Swiffer, and this is what I use to dust them with, the pads that I use. I like the lavender smell, it just smells nice when I'm dusting. I mean, you don't really need a smell with it, but I'm gonna dust the windows and then clean them off with some glass cleaner. And then I'm gonna also dust the top of the cabinets too before I clean them, and really clean anything in the kitchen. I'll just dust the top because the dust is probably prone to fall down, so I want to do all of the dusting first, and probably the light fixtures too because they look a little dusty. All right. You guys would really be surprised how much dust accumulates over time in your house, so this is honestly really an important thing to do at least twice a month. So after I dusted everything downstairs, I went back to the windows and cleaned them with glass cleaner using my microfiber cloth. Alright, now it's time to tackle this kitchen, you guys. It was a hot mess, but I started by removing everything and wiping everything down. And then I used this perfect stainless cleaner to clean my appliances with. And you guys, this thing is so good. I wiped my appliances down with a microfiber cloth, and then I just put everything back. So in my cleaning routine, I always leave the island for last because it's honestly the most work. So I washed the dishes already and just wiped everything down. So then I moved on to the living room and started by cleaning off the coffee table, started by dusting, still trying to figure out the best way to clean this coffee table. So let me know if you have any tricks or tips in the comments down below. I always like to end my cleaning routines by vacuuming the floor and just really making sure everything is clean at the end. And then I went in with this Rejuvenate Luxury Vinyl Cleaner, which, you guys, this thing is gold. Follow me on TikTok to learn more about this product. And then here is the final product of everything. Oh my gosh, so clean. It just makes me feel so good to have a clean house. I hope that this video inspired you guys to clean your home. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Christmas tree.